Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to add comments in Cucumber using Java. Let's start by looking at the test directory structure. Under the Java folder, I have a Hello Cucumber package with bunch of Java files, and under the resources folder, I have a Hello Cucumber package with 2 feature files. Now let's look at a feature file. To add a single or multi-line comment in a feature file, use the hash symbol. To add a single line comment in a Java file, such as step definitions, use 2 forward slashes. For a multi-line comment in a Java file, start the comment with /* and end the comment with */. If you are using IntelliJ on a Mac, you can also use the command / shortcut key to comment and uncomment lines in your code. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.